Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're ready for another great video. So in this video, we're going to upgrade the halogen headlights in my 2018 Kia Sportage to LED ones. This company was nice enough to send some in to us to try out. The company's name's Bossler. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of this video over to their website so you can check out LED headlights for your vehicle. If you have one of these Sportages, these Kia Sportages, you kind of know that they come with these headlights that are they're kind of yellowy from the factory. Was never really a fan of them, can't see the greatest. So what I did is I installed these LED lights. I noticed right away they were a lot brighter than the factory ones. They could actually see pretty well going down the road. I took the car on a 400-mile ride, no kidding. I tested them out for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and they seem to perform really good. I'm really happy with them. It's an easy conversion. I'm going to show you what's involved. Let's get going with this. Okay, so I'm on the back side of the headlight on the driver's side. Both of these are going to be done the exact same way. There's nothing crazy going on with the passenger side that's in your way. They're both pretty easy to get at. There's a cover right here, so you're going to twist it, pull it off, and it kind of just locks in place. It's got a gasket on it. To remove the factory headlight bulb, you're going to twist it and it'll pull right out for you. So you just kind of take it right out. And on the back side of the bulb, you're going to see a tab right here. So you're going to press down the back side of the tab and it'll pull right out for you. Just like that. So one thing I wanted to show you before I put the new LED bulb in is I wanted to compare it against the factory bulb. So this is the factory one, and you're going to notice it kind of only goes in one way. There's a little notch right there, and there's not a notch on the other side right here. So it goes in and it clips right here. Whereas the replacement LED bulb, it's going to have 2 notches on it. It's going to have one there and one on this side. The reason why I'm telling you this is if you put the new light in place and you go to illuminate the headlights and it doesn't light up, unplug this, flip it around and plug it back in, and then it should light up for you. I kind of ran into this and that's all I had to do and it worked perfectly. So here's the plug-in right here for your new LED bulb. You're going to plug it in. You can kind of feel it clip into place. Just like your factory bulb, there's a little collar on it and it has tabs. You're going to slide it into place into the back of the housing and you're going to twist, give a little tug, and that'll lock it into place. Up, and you can feel its seat. So you're going to give it a twist and now it's locked in place. Okay, so once you have it seated and clipped into place, turn the headlights on and make sure that they're illuminated, they're plugged in the right way. This is a factory light. It's like blinking on camera, but it's not blinking to the naked eye. I don't know why it's doing that. It's probably just a video doing it. But the light down here, the fog light, that's as yellow as the main beam was, and it drove me bananas. Okay, so now you need to put the cover back on the back of the housing. Give it a twist, tug it, make sure it's locked in. Okay, so the other side, the other bulb is done the exact same way. So here's what they look like at night. So here's what the headlights look like on low beam, and that's high right there. Low, one more time, and high beam. It really lights a lot of stuff up. The thing I like about these lights too in this car with the LED, it does throw the high beams farther out. I've got other lights in my Expedition and the low beams kind of like the high beam. There's no difference, but there's a difference in this bulb with this car. You can see that it throws out. It's kind of nice. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. Thanks for watching, guys.